Hello everyone, it's your graphics Uni. So today we are going to learn how to do background design hack in Photoshop. Take a new file and then create it. Now export the photo you want to add it on and also the design you want it on photo. Now click on the photo layer and then click on select and then click on subject. Then click on Ctrl+J. Click on first photo layer and click on image option and click adjust. Now click on hue and saturation. Set the saturation at -100 and click OK. Now unhide the background design layer. Now put the design layer in between the images layer. Now click on multiply. Go to blending option and hold Alt and set it same as I did accordingly and click OK. Now click Ctrl+J twice. Now change it to screen. Now go to blending option and hold Alt and set it same as I did and click OK. And boom, it's done. Like and subscribe for more such videos.